大家好，欢迎观赏2022年的线上数位教材。本次课程希望将英语教学结合南崁溪的野鸟生态介绍，来推广南崁溪的观光特色，同时透过生态学习来引发英文的学习兴趣和动机，并鼓励学生亲临现场，使用所学的英文与他人分享自己的所见所闻，更进一步能介绍南崁溪给外国的朋友认识，不只能够加深学习印象，更能促进观光发展及生态保育。今天呢，我们要来做一下总复习我们要复习一下怎么样介绍南崁溪的野鸟生态以及7个地区的特色鸟类。那我们就先从南崁溪的野鸟生态的概论来复习吧。那这是我们第一集所列出来的这个讲解的范例。Nankan River is an urban river that passes through Taoyuan City. From its source in the hills of Linkou, the Nankan River flows for 30 kilometers, passing through Guishan, Taoyuan, Luzhu, and Dayuan, before it flows into the Taiwan Strait. The Nankan River features an ecosystem with high biodiversity. Various species of flora and fauna can be found in this area. This includes some rare migratory birds and local tree species that are no longer commonly seen. 好的，如果以上单字或者是句型有一些不熟悉的部分，欢迎大家回去点选第一集来做一下详细的复习。那如果这个部分你已经熟悉了，我们就来看一下下一个复习的部分。那我们要来介绍一下第一区的这个特色鸟类，指的是这个洋雁。那我们就来念一下。The Pacific swallow, also known as the foreign spotted swallow, is a common resident bird easily seen in the flatlands of western Taiwan. It has chestnut red forehead feathers and black back. The plumage is blue and shiny. It is good at flying and catching insects in the air. In the afternoon, it is very spectacular to see them circling in groups over the Nankan River. 好的，这个部分如果有任何不熟悉的单字或者是句型，欢迎大家可以回去看一下我们这个系列里面的第5集来详细的再复习一下怎么介绍洋雁。接下来我们来看一下怎么样介绍红嘴黑皮。那我们来念一下这边的简介吧。The black bubble is found in broad-leaved forests in hilly areas. It is 24 to 25 centimeters in length, with a long tail. The body plumage ranges from slate gray to shimmering black, depending on the race. Black bubbles feed mainly on seeds and insects, and they are often seen in small groups. In the legend of Ulu Bunong, this bird helps the tribe to distribute embers, burning its beak and claws, hence the red color and blackened smoked feather. 好，一样我们如果有任何不熟悉的单字或者是句型，请大家去参考一下第6集。接下来我们来看一下怎么样简介树雀。The great treepie is a medium-sized and long-tailed member of the crow family. The body is gray on the underside, becoming whiter towards the vent. The voice is described as harsh and grating, so it can still be located despite their dark gray feather. They are often found in parks alongside the banks of Nankan River. 好的，我们树雀的简介其实比较精简所以如果有任何不熟悉的单字或句型，请大家参考第7集。接下来我们来看一下第8集所讲到的红隼。The red eagle is about 30 to 36 centimeters in length and has a wingspan of 68 to 76 centimeters. There are traces of them in woodlands, grasslands, and shallow mountain plains. It flutters its wings in the air, hovers around a fixed point, and after identifying the prey, swoops down and grabs it. It is an easy-to-see winter bird of prey in Taiwan, and it is occasionally spotted in this area. 好的，接下来我们来看一下翠鸟。那翠鸟我们是在第9集当中有介绍到。Kingfishers are a family of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds. The plumage of most kingfishers is bright. with green and blue being the most common colors. The kingfishers have long dagger-like bills. The kingfishers have excellent vision and are thought in particular to have good color vision. In recent decades, factory-released wastewater has threatened the survival and breeding of such species. Therefore, having kingfisher in an area is an indicator of how well preserved the environment is in said area. 接下来呢，我们要看到怎么介绍夜莺。那夜莺则是在第10集当中有提到的物种。好的，那我们来念一次吧。Night heron is a medium-sized bird with a black crown and back with the remainder of the body white or gray. When they stand in an upright display, they resemble penguins so much that the police once received a call-in about penguin spotting in the Namkhan River. These birds stand still at the water's edge and wait to ambush prey, mainly at night or early morning. They are among the 7 heron species observed to engage in bait fishing. They lure or distract fish by tossing edible or inedible buoyant objects into water within their striking range. 好，最后我们来复习一下怎么介绍长角玉。那么长角玉是在第11集当中介绍的。The black-winged stilt is a widely distributed, very long-legged wader. They have long, pink legs, a long, thin black bill, and are blackish above and white below. Some populations are migratory and move to the ocean coasts in winter. This part of the river is wider and moderate in depth, making the flow rate slower. Additionally, with the tall silvergrass making it harder for humans to approach, this area becomes a perfect feeding ground for the black-winged stilts. 好的，这就是我们今天的总复习。我们简单的重新复习了一下怎么样去介绍这个南崁溪的野鸟生态，以及我们从第5集开始所介绍过的每一种特色的鸟类。那希望大家有任何的不熟悉的地方都可以回去再重新的观赏一下我们之前所讲的句型还有单字。那很高兴有机会能够带大家来学习关于鸟类的一些相关单字和句型。那希望以后还有机会再跟大家分享更多英文学习相关的知识。那我们就先到这里咯，拜拜。